Technology IDP at IIT Bombay. I am Sridhar Iyer, and what we are doing is a series called Perspectives on EdTech, where we invite different people from different verticals, different professions, so on, to give their views on EdTech. So in this first episode, we have Mr. Ambrish Kumar, who is a IITB alum, then did IAS, and then he started off as district collector in Rajasthan cadre, and I think he is now on lien to Isha Foundation as the project director for their outreach.
So I think the role of a teacher is essentially to inspire human beings, because human beings by themselves to learn something new. If there is a teacher who is inspired, just the presence of that teacher, the way he talks, the way he enjoys the process, that is infectious. That inspiration and joy is what creates a learning environment. I think this culture which I saw of equality, of integrity in IIT Bombay, I think it's gone a long way in shaping me the way I am.